Today we're gonna fix this washer machine. It's an Admiral washer machine. It's making a violent noise when cycling, and it started slowly, but then all of a sudden it started making a really bad noise. And we're gonna go ahead and start it. If you go to the back, it's got these two screws on both sides, so we're gonna go ahead and remove them. Okay. I had already previously. We're gonna push this to the front, and once it's to the front, we should be able to pick this up. On this type of washer machine, the way you remove the top is that you push it to the front, lift it up, push it back, and then lift it up again. And this thing, you will get it open, as you can see right here. Okay, now that we can see through here, well, we can fix the machine. All right, and this is how it goes. The way I'm gonna remove this is that I'm gonna push the spring out, then push that tank down to where the slide is. It's open right there, and let it go. You see? Same thing with this one. I'm just gonna push the spring. You can do it with your hand. I'm gonna push this thing out and out. I'm gonna do two at a time, just two at a time. And once you have it like that, let's put the lid back on. Put the lid back on. Okay. And I'm gonna try to bend it. Put it to the corner like that. And I'm gonna go underneath. See? This is the springs. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the two new ones in there through the bottom. And put the light on. Okay, and I'm just gonna pull it out just like that. Okay, just gonna take it out. And I got one, and I'm gonna put the new one. Same thing, the other one came out. Right, just like that. I'm gonna put it right here. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. Spring out. And I'm gonna put the new one in. Ahí va. Ahí la llevo. Sí. Hey. Vamos a ver. Then I'm gonna put the washer machine down, as I told you. I'm gonna open the lid just to make sure the springs are coming out straight, both sides. Okay, and I got it. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is with the pliers, I'm gonna pull the spring up and up to here and try to get it. So let's check it out. Ayuda, mija. Nomás este. No, mija, aquí. Okay, so as you can see, pulling with the pliers. And here. And we're gonna do the same thing on the other sides. Okay? We're gonna bend it, remove the old springs and put the other ones back in place. Now the new one that I ordered, it came with new washers, plastic washers, but they do not match the one that I have. So I'm just gonna use the same ones, which they're still in good shape, and let's see what happens. Okay guys, so I got all 4 springs put back. I can tell that this is more sturdy. You can tell by pushing it up and down. You can see how soft the other ones were, and now it's ready to go. We have to put the cover back on. Make sure these things are straight. Sometimes they bend because the movement you make. And we're gonna proceed by putting the cover back on. There you go. It's a little bit tricky by pushing it up, to the front, up, and then back again. This is how it came out, so you gotta do the same trick by putting it back together. Now, what I have to do is put the bolts back on the back. I'm gonna put the bolts back on the back. I just want to make sure I didn't tear up these hoses and everything. Somehow the camera got So I was filming with the camera somehow. Sorry guys. When I removed the back, I bent that thing, so okay. All I have to do is put this little cover that I took out for nothing. There was no necessity to take it out. This is basically, this is it guys. The The springs cost about $30 on Amazon. You spend a little bit of time, probably about an hour, and you get this damn thing fixed up again and up and running. You don't have to buy another one. So we're gonna test it out.